Hey everyone, Donnie here. Welcome to the channel. When we come back, I got the Hosim. This is the 9125. It's got the dual motors in here. We're going to check it out on this track and see if we can tear this thing up a little. So we'll do that as soon as we get back. Wipe out. Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you enjoyed that little run there. Just wanted to show you real quick what came in the box. You got two bodies right here. One you can paint, and then you got two batteries, 7.4 volt, 1600 milliamp. And then you got your manual, and then also you got the LiPo battery bag, so to keep them safe. And here's your little bag of goodies. You got your accessory lights, and you got your lug nut tool and extra lug nuts and hood pins, and you got your two chargers there. You got your adapter piece, so you can connect two batteries together, and the straps on the truck, and you got that lid if you want to just do one battery at a time. But here's a look at the controller. Make sure you get 3 AA's for this. They're not included, so make sure you pick those up or you won't be able to run. So let's get this thing out there and take a look at it.
Hell, it's about time.
All right, guys, checking this thing out on the track. I'm gonna kind of just, this is fun. Doesn't have a whole lot of power, but those two motors in there, it does the job. You can see it's doing just fine. See if I get it. Oh, I couldn't see. I need to be a little bit taller to see that. But you can see it's a good truck. It'll sit here and do what you need to do, especially if you have like a neat little BMX track like this. I'm just lucky, you know, nobody usually uses this that much. So, but anyways, it's a super fun truck. I've had tons of these, so I'm not going to go into big time detail, but we're just going to run it out here and just have fun with it. So if I don't break it by dropping it. All right, you're probably wondering why I'm freeze framing it right now. The reason why I'm doing that, the lighting out looks crazy because we're having major wildfires here in Josephine County. We're over in Oregon, so this is southern Oregon. The California fires have now hit our area and it's getting closer. So my voice is kind of changing in here because the smoke's getting really thick. So anyways, just wanted to give you guys that little info and why the lighting's so weird and why my voice is going crazy. Let the kids play now. Dad will do the filming here. Alright, Amaziah's first time running one of these, and it's the same truck. Just give it all the gas. Follow it over here. You can come check out more stuff. You could follow it around and check out more jumps.
Antes de
guys, the 9125. It's a really good little truck. It's a nice little basher. It's cheap, affordable, and it's fun. So kids, adults, we usually take these things every time we go on vacation, just to have something to go and play around with instead of bringing those big old trucks and stuff like that. So it's a good little all-around truck. It does really good on the track. They had a lot of fun and they didn't want to quit playing. So all right guys, thanks for watching. Hosim, thanks for sending this out. Appreciate you waiting so long for me to get that review, but we got it out there and we appreciate it. Thank you so much. Everybody, God bless.